Hello everyone, this is Terry and welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing from my good buddy JP, formerly known as Pete0909. Anyhow, enough foolishness. Pete0909. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what surprises are in this box. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, check back on my video from JP's Orchids. That's I know. Right after Plantilla. So it's nicely packed. I guess this is my tag. Encyclia Newton's or Epi Newton's Claude. He's a jokester. And then this says Epi Sylvia White, which is Nodosa times Ciliare. Epidendrum Ciliare. Or now it's Colostylus. So these are probably bare root. And this looks like the Epidendrum cross Ciliare times Nodosa. And I may put a flower picture up because he sent me what it looks like. Nice new growth coming up there. And so this is, no, wait a minute. Now I'm confused. Okay. This is the Nodosa cross with Epidendrum Ciliare. So evidently that this is Epidendrum Newton's, which is a species. Thank you. So yeah, it's just finishing up its bloom. And look at those flowers. It's so frilly. It is totally a baby. Love. Hopefully that whisker is coming through. But it's lovely. Again, this is Epi Sylvia White. Anyway, folks, that's it. Thanks, Josh. It looks like there's more flower buds coming. Thanks for watching, folks. And stay tuned for more. And as always, enjoy your orchids. Bye. Okay, and here is the final product. I mounted this with just a big zip tie. As such, and it is getting its soak. And the epidendrum is over here. It likes more of a moisture retentive media, but good drainage as well. And it is staked up. And this is Epidendrum nutans.